ever wondered how a seemingly harmless piece of paper could become a tool for political manipulation and corruption? Welcome to the world of electoral bonds. Today we journey through an intriguing timeline of events related to the infamous electoral bond scam that has been the talk of the nation. In the year 2017, the concept of electoral bonds was introduced by the then Finance Minister Arun Jaitley as a transparent method of funding political parties. However, what followed was a series of dubious transactions and questionable activities, which raised many eyebrows. In 2018, a year after the scheme was launched, several private firms, some of which were under the radar of law enforcement agencies, started funneling millions of dollars through these bonds into the coffers of various political parties. The Bharatiya Janata Party, or the BJP, emerged as the largest beneficiary, amassing a whopping $720 million over a span of 7 years. As we moved into the year 2019, an alarming pattern started to emerge. Companies that generously donated to the ruling parties often experienced a sudden change in government attitudes towards them. Some even bagged lucrative government contracts, raising suspicions of a quid pro quo setup between these companies and the political parties. Fast forward to 2024, the State Bank of India's data dump revealed the extent of these under-the-table transactions. This revelation caused a public outcry, and demands for an independent investigation into the electoral bonds started to grow louder. Now, let's take a moment to digest what we've discussed. The electoral bond scam is a complex web of political manipulation, corruption, and favoritism. It started with the introduction of electoral bonds, which were presented as a transparent way of funding political parties, but quickly turned into a mechanism for potential corruption and extortion. Companies, some of which were under investigation, made substantial donations through these bonds to political parties, with the BJP receiving the lion's share. These companies subsequently experienced favorable changes in their relations with the government, with some even securing profitable contracts. The year 2024 marked a turning point when the State Bank of India's data dump exposed the magnitude of these transactions, leading to public uproar and demands for an independent investigation. In the grand scheme of things, this episode serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers of unchecked political funding mechanisms. It underscores the need for transparency, accountability, and rigorous checks and balances in the system. As we wrap up, remember that in the world of politics, nothing is as simple as it appears. Behind every policy, every decision, there might just be an intricate web of power and manipulation. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, keep questioning.